everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply forward your Telegram messages to your WhatsApp. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, what you will do is first of all just go to your Telegram app over there. Once the app is open, what you will do is simply just go to the particular chat where you would like to go and share your message. And then once you have your conversation open, what you will do is simply just copy the particular message. And here you can see this the option above. Simply tap on that. Go back to your WhatsApp. Choose the conversation where you would like to forward that particular message. Simply tap on paste, and you can simply tap on the send option, and your message is sent as it is from the Telegram. And if you want to send a media file, then what you will do is simply see this three dot icon, and then you can see this share option. Finally, simply tap on that. Here you can see the options. Here you can go swipe it until you find your WhatsApp, and once your WhatsApp is there, simply tap on that WhatsApp option and choose the person that you would like to share the file with, and simply you will on the arrow icon below, simply your file will be sent. So this is how you can simply forward your media file from your Telegram and your messages from your Telegram to WhatsApp. And yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.